Welcome and thank you for coming to the Social Business Wales Awards. Our first award is for social enterprises trading in the health and social care sector.
Spice.
Our second award is for a social enterprise working in the education, training and employment sector.
Creating enterprise.
And the winner of the Environment Social Enterprise of the Year is the Furniture Revival.
And is for a social business providing products or services to the general public.
The winner is Valleys Gymnastics.
So the winner of the Tech for Good award is Book of You.
So the winner of the Employee Owned Enterprise of the Year is Aber Instruments.
Our penultimate award this evening is for the One to Watch category.
Yr enillydd ydy Denbighshire Music Cooperative.
I'm thrilled to announce the winner of the Social Business Wales Social Enterprise of the Year award, and that is Creating Enterprise.